Peyton 6 for 6, 14 points from the start. He's got the basketball guarded by D'Angelo Russell. C.J. Watson moves into position.
Jonathan Isaac has returned for the Magic. 20-year-old rookie started the game due to an ankle injury to Aaron Gordon. Picked up 2 early fouls.
At 29 per game. 41 times this year they have had double-figure threes. That's how they can get back in games, especially after they...
And a really good block that I thought they were actually going to call goaltending, but the Jazz kept playing.
Now Augustine, top of the key. 3 is good.
Play up, and good decision by Josh Smith on the find.
Gorman missed on his last 3 badly, but makes the adjustment. He has 4 tonight. George trying to answer.